To start making money with the Whop affiliate program, begin by visiting the Whop website, where you can find a link to get started. Once on the website, navigate to the Affiliates section, which is typically located on the left side of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can begin the process of making money. The process itself is relatively straightforward. First, you will need to have a social media presence or a website to promote your affiliate link to targeted individuals who are likely to click on the link and make a purchase. There are two primary options for making money: as a customer affiliate or as a creator affiliate. As a customer affiliate, you can create unique affiliate links for various products offered by Whop. For instance, you might create a link for a specific program, such as the Driven Enterprise, which offers a 30% reward on sales generated through your unique link. This reward is paid without any additional cost to the buyer. You can track your affiliate links, reserve balance, pending balance, and available payout all within your account dashboard. Additionally, Whop offers affiliate training, which provides strategies and tips from top-performing affiliates. This training is free, has a high rating, and requires no prior monetization experience. It includes tutorials on how to start driving sales and earning money from day one. As a creator affiliate, you can earn 30% of the revenue generated by creators you refer to the platform. This means that if you refer someone who becomes a creator and starts earning money, you will receive a commission on their earnings. To refer creators, simply copy your affiliate link and share it with potential creators. You can track your referred creators and earnings within your account. To receive your earnings, you will need to set up a payment method. This involves selecting your country and then creating an account with Stripe, a payment processing platform. If you already have a Stripe account, you can use the same email address. Otherwise, you will need to create a new account. Once your payment method is set up, you can receive your earnings directly to your bank account via Stripe. Overall, the Whop affiliate program offers a straightforward way to earn money by promoting products and referring creators to the platform. With its easy-to-use interface, comprehensive tracking features, and competitive rewards, it is an attractive option for those looking to monetize their online presence.